when Rick Myers tapped into the secret of artificial life.
It's the formula.
He became the master of Andre Toulon's puppets.
The future is yours, Rick, as well as the magic. Guard and protect it and keep it from evil.
Now, his new-found power will make him a pawn.
And you say there are 7 of these puppets still at the hotel?
Between a corporation.
Now, once we're inside, what we're looking for are 6 stringless puppets.
And a demon from hell.
The others, are they still in the hotel?
Just pick up anything that looks like a puppet.
Something's not right.
One will stop at nothing to capture the puppets.
You think these things are dangerous?
Oh, please, not ridiculous.
The other will unleash the forces of darkness to destroy them all.
Oh, you are beautiful. We have their magic. They're gonna keep coming until they get it back or until they're stopped.
Oh, my God.
Puppet Master 5.
And when you buy 2 units of Puppet Master 5, you'll also receive a copy of Puppet Master 4 free. Plus, take advantage of savings up to 11%. See your distributor for details.
Be sure to stay tuned for Videozone after this feature presentation.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.